Question number 15, billboard background. A company is creating a new billboard advertisement. Before the lettering or pictures are put on, the billboard needs to be painted. The billboard is represented by the image below. The sector of the circle will be painted with fluorescent paint and the rest will be painted black. The whole billboard measures 5 meters by 16 meters. The sector has a central angle of 120 degrees and an arc length of 9.42 meters. The fluorescent paint costs $5 per meter squared and the black paint costs $3 per meter squared. What is the cost of the paint needed to cover the billboard? Show your work on the following page. We need to figure out the area of the rectangle and the area of this sector. The area of the rectangle, its length times width, which is 5 times 16, which is 80 meters squared. Then the area of the sector. The area of the sector is n degrees out of 360 times pi r squared. We don't know what the radius is. We do know the arc length is 9.42. We could use our arc length formula to figure out our radius. Arc length is n degrees over 360 times 2 pi r times the circumference. I'm going to fill in everything I know, which is the arc length is 9.42. The central angle is 120 degrees. I'm going to do the 120 divided by 360 times 2 times pi. 120 divided by 360 times 2 times pi is 2094. 395. It goes on for a while. Replace all of this stuff with 2.094 times the radius. I want to get the radius alone. The 2.094 is multiplying it, so I'm going to divide both sides by 2.094 . 9.42 divided by the 2.094,395, and it goes on forever. Then I press the equals. That gives me 4.4977. Our radius is 4.4977 meters. And go back to this formula. Figure out the area of the sector. 120 over 360 times pi times the 4.4977 times the radius squared. This number, I'm going to square that when the time comes to do that. Copy that. 120 divided by 360 times pi times the radius squared equals 21.184255. 21.18426 meters squared is the area of the sector. The fluorescent paint costs $5 per meter and the black paint costs $3 per meter. The area of the black is the area of the rectangle. Take away the area of the sector because the sector is being painted fluorescent. The area of the rectangle is 80. Take away the area of the fluorescent green is take away the 21.18426. 80, take away that number is 58.81574. 58.8157, I'm rounding it to that decimal place, meters squared. For the black paint, that it costs $3 per 1 meter squared. We don't know the cost, but we know how many meters squared we have of the black, 58.8157. We set up a proportion, $3 to 1 meter squared is X dollars to 58.8157 meters squared. The dollars go on the top, the meter squared goes on the bottom in each case. I'm going to cross multiply this way. The 3 is multiplying the 58.8157 equals 176.45. We round to the nearest cent. So that's how much the black paint is going to cost us, and the fluorescent paint costs us $5 per meter squared. I'm going to put 5 over 1 meter squared. We don't know the cost of it, so that's X, but we do know the area of the green paint is 21.18426 meters squared. Cross multiply this way again. The 21.5 divided by 1 is 105.92, so $105.92. The total cost is the cost of the black paint added to the cost of the green paint. That gives us $282.37. And that is it for question number 15. And that's it for the exam. Have a good day.